Are you looking to add a fun, quirky yet personal touch to your home decor? This super fun yet easy DIY marble art technique works on just about anything you want to instantly dress it up. So get started now. Things you need: nail polish, big bowl of water, barbecue skewers, Modge Podge, paintbrush, a cup, bowl, plate, or any other object that you wish to repurpose, hand towel, cotton pads, Q-tips. Start by placing your bowl on a towel to keep your workstation mess-free and fill your bowl with lukewarm water. A glass bowl is the easiest to clean, as nail polish may leave some residue. Choose your nail polish color and slowly start to pour it into the bowl until it begins to disperse on the surface of the water. Hold the nail polish close to the water or it will sink when poured. You can start with one color but add as many more as you want. And use a skewer to move around the polish to cover the surface of the water and customize your marbling. Remember, there are no rules when it comes to marble art, so you can be as colorful and creative as you wish. Gently dip your object into the bowl to cover the desired portion of it with nail polish. You will immediately see the polish adhering to the sides in a beautiful pattern. Hold it in for a few seconds to allow the pattern to properly stick to the object. Pull your object straight out of the water and there you have it. Use a Q-tip soaked in nail polish remover to clean any rough edges or excess color and then set your piece aside to dry. If you want to make the polish budge and smudge proof, coat your object with a generous amount of Modge Podge to seal the painted surfaces. Use a large paintbrush to layer on and even out the Modge Podge. And leave it to dry for a few hours. And then you're done. If you plan on changing the marble art you've done, you can skip sealing it with Modge Podge. All you need is some nail polish remover and cotton pads to wipe down the surface, and it's that easy. No two designs will ever come out the same, and we believe that that's the true beauty of this art form. It's also super easy for beginners to work with, so grab your favorite nail polish and start experimenting now. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.